Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Fit, model years 2015 to 2020, can sometimes display Diagnostic Trouble Code P0420, which signifies that the catalyst system efficiency is below the acceptable threshold. Catalytic converters play a vital role in reducing harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. In this case, when the readings from the onboard diagnostic system indicate that the efficiency of the catalytic converter is compromised, this code is triggered. The issue may stem from the design or condition of the fuel system or exhaust system components. If unaddressed, the vehicle can experience performance issues, increased emissions, and potential long-term damage to the engine. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and troubleshooting methods for this DTC is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance with environmental standards. DTC P0420 indicates that the efficiency of the catalytic converter is below the preset threshold. This error typically affects the emissions system of the vehicle, which is designed to convert exhaust gases into less harmful emissions before they are released into the atmosphere. The catalytic converter is usually located in the exhaust system, just after the engine and before the exhaust pipe. Its function relies heavily on the performance of various sensors, including the oxygen sensors. The oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and provides this information to the engine control module, or ECM, ensuring the vehicle runs efficiently. If the catalyst is failing, or if there are issues elsewhere in the exhaust system, it may trigger the P0420 code. Accurate diagnostics is essential to pinpoint the actual problem associated with this code and take appropriate corrective action. Several factors lead to the P0420 Diagnostic Trouble Code. Firstly, a faulty catalytic converter is often the primary suspect. It could be failing to convert exhaust gases effectively due to age or damage. Secondly, issues with the oxygen sensors, specifically the secondary heated oxygen sensor, can also trigger this code. If these sensors are damaged or malfunctioning, they may provide inaccurate data to the engine control module, affecting engine performance and emissions. Finally, exhaust leaks in the system can also cause an imbalance in the oxygen levels detected by the sensors, leading to erroneous readings and ultimately setting off the P0420 code. Understanding these potential causes helps in pinpointing the specific issue that needs troubleshooting. When the DTC P0420 is set, a variety of symptoms may be experienced by the driver. The most immediate and visible symptom is that the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an alert for the driver to investigate further. Alongside this warning, reduced fuel efficiency may occur as the engine management system attempts to compensate for perceived inefficiencies, leading to increased fuel consumption. Additionally, drivers may notice poor acceleration performance, particularly when attempting to increase speed quickly or when climbing hills. These symptoms not only indicate that an issue may exist with the catalytic system, but also suggest that addressing the problem promptly is crucial to restoring vehicle performance. The first troubleshooting step involves conducting a system check of the PGMFI, or Programmed Fuel Injection System, specifically for DTC P0420. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position to power up the diagnostic tool. The next action would be to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which resets the error codes stored in the engine control module. After clearing the code, start the engine and hold it at an engine speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load, meaning that the vehicle should be in park or neutral. This step should continue until the radiator fan activates, ensuring the engine maintains optimal operating temperature. Following this, a test drive under specific conditions is required to check if the P0420 code reappears, indicating whether further diagnostics are needed. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P0420 requires ongoing monitoring during the test drive until results manifest in the form of the OBD, onboard diagnostic status. Continue to observe the diagnostic data until the HDS indicates what actions may be necessary. If the HDS reports a failed status for DTC P0420, this typically signifies that the system has confirmed a failure point, and the next step is to replace the WUTWC, which stands for Warm-Up Three-Way Catalytic Converter. If the HDS indicates the system has passed, it may suggest that intermittent failure is at play, indicating that the catalysis system is functioning correctly at this time. Thus, verifying any recorded onboard snapshots can provide clues into previous states leading to the fault. If conditions indicate executing or out of condition, continue to drive under optimal conditions until further data presents. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0420, it is essential to perform a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved effectively. Start by double-checking for any DTC codes using the HDS, ensuring that no error codes are present post-repair. Next, assess whether the vehicle shows any signs of performance issues directly related to the engine and exhaust systems. The system should work seamlessly without triggers coming from the diagnostics. Finally, ensure that all repaired or replaced components are functioning as intended through a comprehensive system check. This verification process is crucial in confirming that the P0420 code has been addressed successfully and the vehicle is back to optimal operating performance. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid recurring issues associated with DTC P0420. One of the first steps is to use high-quality fuel, as poor quality fuel often leads to increased emissions and potential catalyst damage. It's also advisable to conduct regular exhaust inspections on the vehicle to check for leaks or blockages that could affect performance. Additionally, maintaining proper functioning of oxygen sensors ensures accurate readings of the exhaust gases and enables the engine control unit to optimize performance. Routine checks and replacements of these sensors, along with regular engine maintenance, will help prolong the lifespan of the catalytic converter and minimize risk for DTC codes related to the exhaust system. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0420 is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance with emissions regulations. The catalytic converter plays a significant role in minimizing environmental impact by transforming harmful gases into less dangerous substances. Regular diagnostics and proactive repairs are necessary to ensure that the exhaust system functions correctly and efficiently. Symptoms like reduced fuel efficiency and illuminated check engine lights should not be ignored. By implementing preventive measures and conducting routine maintenance checks, drivers can avoid encountering this error code in the future, leading to a healthier vehicle and a greener planet. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.